Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs McJimpsy here. Now, we've been learning all about insects and caterpillars and butterflies, and I thought today we could maybe make a butterfly with paper. All you need is some paper, scissors and a pencil. Oh, and you know what Mrs McJimpsy's forgot? A glue stick. We need a little glue stick. There we go. Now, this is really easy because all you need is your hand as well. So, you take your piece of paper, one piece of paper, and fold it in half. And then you take your hand and put your hand down near the bottom beside the edge of the paper that you folded. Then you take your pencil. Now, you might need to get your adult to help you to do this, but then again, you might be super clever and be able to do it yourself. And all you do is draw around your hand. So Mrs McJimpsy is going to draw around her hand. There we go, like that. Good. And it should, I don't know if you can see that, boys and girls, look like that. Also, what you need to do at the top of your hand, this bit here, you just need to make a little line, and that is going to be the butterfly's antenna. Okay? Now you need to cut your hand out. You've got smaller hands than me, so it won't take you so long. And if you get your adult to help you, that would be really good, okay? So I'm just going to be quick here. Cut round my hand. And quickly, cutting round. We're nearly there. I've only got one finger to cut out now. Alright. And, whoops. Oh dear. The little bit for your antennae. You need to cut round about that. That's a little bit squiggly, but if you get your adult to help, you'll be fine. Okay. And when you open it up, boys and girls, you've got a bit of a butterfly. Look, very good. And to make it a little bit quicker, Mrs McJimpsy's already cut another one out. And as you can see, you've cut one hand, you've now got two, and it's symmetrical. It's called a symmetrical pattern, right? Because it's the same on one side as the other. Now what we need to do, boys and girls, is take your two butterflies and put them together. Overlap them a little bit so they look like this. Alright, and they flap and fly about. So that's why I have a glue stick. I'm going to just glue a little piece underneath here, just along the edge, the folded edge, and then put your other hand on top. And it doesn't have to be exactly on top. It's nice to be a little bit, or what you could do is you could have, your adult could give you a hand, a big hand, and you could do a little hand and put it on top. And there we are, there's our butterfly, like that, but we're not finished yet. We need to take another piece of paper, and I've got a yellow piece, but just whatever colour or whatever paper you've got in the house if you want to make it. And you need to make your butterfly's body and his head, okay? So what we do is, again, take your paper and fold it and draw as if you were drawing half of a leaf down one side of the folded piece. And another bit on the top, it has to look as if it's half of a heart. I'll show you when I've cut it out, okay? There you go. Now, I'm going to cut these out. These ones are a lot quicker. And you can see that's half. There's the whole leaf, like that. And that is the butterfly's body. Now the other part is his head. So I'm going to cut it round the shape, and show you that's half, like a little heart, half of a heart. And there we have a heart, a full heart. So again, we are learning about half and symmetry. It's symmetrical, they are the same, okay? And what you need to do is take your butterfly, where it folds in the middle, take your little body and pop it on. So just